Welcome back. We are going to be doing a really quick body double clean with me. Been maintaining the bedroom and just doing like my daily cleans. And I've started a new skin routine, so I'll be doing that. Just trying to stay motivated with this lovely gray wet weather we are having this spring. So yeah, I hope y'all enjoy.
Kept on shouting you can't win, button lips she grinned and fought through the noise and thickest din. She's the queen they never caught. She said no to limits, don't you see? Breaking free from gravity. Now she's shining bright as can be, living proof of victory. Tried to tell her she was wrong. Her spirit sang a different song. Now their doubts seem so far gone. She was strong all along. She said no to limits, don't you see? Breaking free from gravity. Now she's shining bright as can be, living proof of victory.
Okay, so I'm trying setting up these outfit thingies for the next couple of days. So I don't have to think about it, just to see. We'll see how this method works. Somebody said it really helps with ADHD if you just pick out your next couple of outfits for the next couple of days. But I don't like the fact that I'm leaving it in my chair. Anywho, and I am also working on a new skin routine. Yay me! I don't know why I've been saying I'm 45, and my husband was like, "You're not 45." I'm like, "Yes, I am. I turned 45 in October." And he's like, "No, you turned 44." So apparently I had forgotten how old I was because I was dreading the 45, but I've just been saying it ahead of time. Like, weirdo. So, yeah, funny little thing there. I cannot believe that. I was like, "Yes, I am," like arguing about how old I was, and then I was like, "Oh, you're right. I was born in 80. It's just now 2025. Hello. But yeah. Oh, and those little wash rags, I love those things. You don't have to put soap on those. I mean, I do the second time, but you just get them wet and it's like microfiber, but it gets like all the dirt off your skin. I mean, I use soap too, but you don't need to. And it's like insane. Like how well it like gets oil and stuff out there. Like so cool. I found them. Yeah, I got them on Amazon. Originally for my daughter, so she had like a small rag, and then it was like an 8-pack. It's like really cheap too. So, but yeah. And my mother-in-law gave me some that she ordered and decided that she didn't want to use it. So I'm gonna try it. So I didn't mean to buy something like that and then like not like it. So I was very grateful that she gave me that. And I'm going to try these eye thingies because I've been having issues with the insomnia lately and not sleeping very well, especially with all the storms, so that doesn't help either. I've been having like tornadoes, flooding, and all the things, so I have been extra poofy under the eyeballs. It's been fun days. And yes, I put this in fast forward because like after I watched this and I was like, oh my gosh, I was talking so much. There was like 25 minutes of me talking, and I'm like, yeah, I'm not a get ready with me super talk a lot, but I am definitely trying to do this routine, and I found it's easier after my kids go to school to do it because it's just, I don't have time because like my husband gets up, he gets in the bathroom, and then the kids are trying to and making lunches. I just don't have time unless I get up at like 4 o'clock in the morning. Okay. So, I like the bangs a lot better on me. Hi, Bootsy. Do you want outside? Let you outside. Come on. Oops, I have it locked. Because the wind was blowing. And it was just, I don't know. My daughter will be home soon. So, always the daily repick. Oh, what are you two doing on my couch? Oh my goodness. You're not supposed to be on there. They have their very own huge beds. And they are sitting on my... Oh, and everybody's doing it. Everybody's doing it. Why? Why? Now she's gone.
But it's a wild game. Plans scatter like leaves in a gusty wind. Gotta pull them back and start again. Oh, I'm chasing dreams on the run, aiming for the stars, dancing in the sun. Every hurdle's just a step to climb. ADHD won't stop this heart of mine. Lost in thoughts like a maze with no end, but every twist and turn's a new trend. Missteps are just tunes in my melody. I'm writing my own destiny. They say slow down, girl, don't stray, but I'll paint my own sky my own way. Can't box my spirit, can't tame this soul. Wild and free, that's my goal.
Been getting stuff done. Got my dishes done. And everything else. Just a quick tidy up. Was just trying to get done before my kids got here. And yeah, I would say it's a success. I love body doubling. And actually I've been feeling myself doing this. It's like really held me accountable, and I've appreciated it. And if you guys like this, go ahead and check out my next video. You'll see it over here. More body doubling, and I have another one coming up. See you guys later. Thanks. Bye.